Hey folks, Bill here from Survival War. Thank you for joining me today. I got another quick video for y'all. So, Acebeam a couple months ago sent this to me, looking for a review and to test it and see what my thoughts were on it. I've done that. I've carried it pretty regularly since then. EDC'd it at work. It's hard to tell, but it's kind of beat up, kind of scratched up in some spots. And I've used it in the woods, tested it out around the house, and so far, I've been very happy with it. That's the Acebeam UC3A. One thing they also did was send me a separate one that I could give away, and we'll do that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. First thing, this flashlight, I looked online right before I made the video. On Acebeam and a couple other retailers, you can find it from anywhere from about $30 up to about $37. It is a rechargeable through USB-C, and it takes a 10440 lithium cell. Comes with one from Acebeam, and you can see it is USB-C chargeable. Set that here. The charging battery station is right in here. You can see that cap is magnetized, which I really do enjoy, and it does have a nice O-ring on it. There are extra O-rings in the packaging with it. It's nice knurled, a very high quality feel. The flashlight's anodized aluminum. It is, just like all of Acebeam products, very high quality made. You can see the orientation, how the battery goes in right there. It does have a lantern / signaling here. This is advertised as a compact signaling light. So to keep that in mind, you have the primary dual LED main light there, and that runs off that top switch. This side signaling light runs off the lower switch. Has a bunch of different features. SOS mode. You can get it to change colors to RGB. I forget how to do that, but it's in the instructions. Has a very nice pocket clip. I like this because it's pretty deep, so you can actually clip this to the bill on your baseball cap and use it as an improvised headlamp, which I've done. The only thing I don't really like about it, to get that out of the way, and it's not even a big drawback, it's just something I've noticed and has been an issue. The switches work great, but they are very sensitive. It doesn't take much for it to be in your pocket and bump one of these. Then the light turns on, and then when you go to use it, you have a dead battery. So be cognizant of that when you're carrying it. Will dictate how you're going to carry it and how you're going to use it, how you throw it in the pack, and whatnot. So be careful with that, because it is easy to bump it, turn it on, and then you end up with a dead battery. So it has a 900 lumen main light, and it does come with Acebeam's excellent 10-year warranty. I've carried other Acebeams for a while now. My primary light is this. It is my Acebeam, let me find it, Polka light. It's my rechargeable EDC. This one's in titanium. Very excellent light. I've been carrying different Acebeams for a number of years. So when they reached out, I was very happy to take them up on their offer, try out this new light, see how it does, and then especially to have the opportunity to give one away to one of my subscribers. So guys, I really recommend this light. For the price, it is a very inexpensive, not cheap, because this is a high quality flashlight, very well put together, sealed, and water resistant. So if you're in the market for a flashlight like this, I highly recommend it, and other Acebeam products. I am a big believer in their stuff. So with that, we'll get to the giveaway. So they sent over a brand new one, and what we're going to do is give this away here. So to enter the giveaway, just comment below that you're in on the Acebeam giveaway or something similar. I'll be able to tell. And we're going to let the giveaway run till either August 15th or I hit 5,000 subscribers. Whichever one that may be, I'll do the drawing. I'll post it on the community page, and I'll also comment here in the comments below that who won. It'll be in the pinned comment after the 15th or when I hit 5,000. So there's no requirements other than to say I'm in and be a subscriber. I will ship to the U.S., anywhere in the U.S., Hawaii, Alaska included, and Canada. So if you are one of my Canadian subscribers, take advantage, get in on this one, and win yourself a nice high-quality EDC flashlight or emergency backup, whatever you're looking for. So thank you guys for the support. The channel's going well. I've had a great response to my recent videos. I really am enjoying getting these videos made and putting stuff out for you folks. So with that, thank you guys. Big thank you to Acebeam for sending this over for me to test out, try and review. I really enjoy it, and I will continue to use mine, and I can't wait to give this away to someone. So enter in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed. Comment on the video that you're in, and that'll be it, guys. Thank you. I hope everyone has a great week. It's starting to warm up here in the middle of July, so stay safe out there. Until next time, I'll see you in the woods. So bye for now.